Fuzhou Home Source Electronic Company Limited was established in 2016, located in the Minhou industrial area of Fuzhou, which is one of the industrial belts of home handicrafts. This is our most important advantage. We are specialized in making wall clock products. Since 2019, our products expanded to more home decors, including wall decors, mirrors, shelves, decorative paintings, coffee tables, etc. We are proud to support many of the most prestigious home furnishing importers and wholesalers in the world with our products and services, as well as many of the hospitality projects globally. Our designers are professional and excellent in the industry and work non-stop every season to bring you the latest and greatest new products. While we are focused on bringing you the most popular and fashion-forward products in the industry, we know that good design means nothing without quality manufacturing. You can be certain that no shortcuts are taken in manufacturing to make sure our products exceed expectations. Our culture is founded on the principles of partnership, respect, passion, and honesty. From the designer who envisions and creates their new idea, to the craftsman in the factory who transforms this idea into the finished product, to the customer who selects and makes this product their own, we're all dependent on each other. Our outlook is one of mutual respect for all our partners in business. And we are all passionate to bring you the very best.